Oh, hit out on dishwasher Dave. Wait, how did you triple glaze them though? Like, did you?
I did a glaze, I waited, I did another glaze, I waited.
How long did you wait though?
Not that long, to be honest.
Like a couple seconds?
No, I glazed all the donuts, waited, glazed
Oh,
all the donuts.
fuck. Yo, what the fuck, dude?
Started my mouth.
It's not personal, it's content.
It's now a part of the glaze.
That's dangerous though.
Oh, fuck.
Okay, I see what you mean about it, like going clear.
Yeah.
I think I'm gonna let it harden and then do another one. Like, it's like coatings of paint.
I made my strawberry donut a love donut, dude. It's so fucking cute. Oh my
Is that
god.
true to the coom?
Oh my god, this is like
We love
boom on my
donuts.
counter. Holy fucking shit. Oh my god.
Wait, what
Right
happened?
now. Like, my counter. Hopefully you don't get TOS for this, but my counter legitimately looks like it has cum on it. I'm not even lying, dude. There's coom everywhere.
More dainty glaze.
Holy fuck.
That's just staying true to the coom.
Oh my god. Okay, how are we doing the chocolate donuts? Did we decide?
I don't really know. I'm just starting to dip mine. I haven't done anything with the chocolate ones yet. But I think I'll do like a clear glaze, maybe.
Don't forget to sprinkle them right when you do the glaze, cause donut down. All right, do I eat the fallen donut?
Like, I used all of my icing on the.
Do I eat the fallen donut, dude? It fell on the floor.
Is it
Yeah, eat that
to
shit.
say come? Seems odd.
Yeah, the chocolate ones are kind of scuffed. They're really thick.
For you too? Yeah. They seem like they were dry
You're right.
in
Kirsten.
comparison to the other ones.
You're right, Kirsten. I see you. Well,
I don't think it's TOS to say come.
yeah, I don't know what TOS like gets on your ass for. I have a feeling I will get you in trouble one of these days. Or you'll get me in trouble. We'll
I
see.
feel like if it's okay to be on stream, you should be able to say all of the words.
I'm peeing right now. Oh, fuck. No.
Okay, oh, my next chocolate donut came out. Okay, my chocolate donuts are interesting. Okay.
I'm gonna dip one in the straw. Actually, I'll wait. Let me make another batch of the fucking white icing.
Okay, one
Ooh,
strawberry
I
donut
peed
came
my
out.
ball, dude.
Fuck, the strawberry donuts are so soft, dude.
Yeah, my blueberry ones are that way. I think because the extra juice.
I think it is because the
The
extra juice.
Simpson donuts.
Yes, yes.
I mean, that wasn't really the goal, but like,
Okay, dude. I got all my donuts out.
I guess that is kind of what I'm going for. I'm not measuring the powdered sugar this time. Dude,
I just keep making more glaze as I need it, honestly.
Yeah, well, I'm just gonna dump powdered sugar.
Donut.
Getting
oh god,
the
I'm mixing
fucking
with the
gamba.
toothpick again. Here
Yeah, we
go.
need a gamba to be honest. Can somebody cake? Stop slumping, cake. Stop it.
Choo.
Start a gamba. We need a gamba.
I finally got a camera to take pictures on during these streams, by the way.
Well, you got another camera?
Yeah, I have 3
The
cameras.
gamba is there.
But the third one.
Wait,
the
which
third
one did you just get?
The third, no, the third one's older. It can't do HDMI like capture card, but it's a pretty good camera. It's for my dad. He left it with me. I think he never asked for it back. It's technically his. it. Okay.
Olives
go.
are back.
Hello.
Yo,
30-second lighting scamber, get in.
Show US clip where CAME.
Oh god, my other one.
Listen, Olives. Kebabs was slandering you while you were gone, Olives.
Not gonna
Please.
lie.
I'm just saying.
Olives.
Not gonna lie. My
And
new
hey, Bob
color
Beat
looks really
deleted
red.
the footage.
I think I accidentally used red. It looks really weird.
Wait, you did what?
Crying.
My new pink color, my new pink glaze, looks really
Pea glaze? Or the pink
Pink.
glaze?
pink.
Oh, it's too red? That's what I did. You just gotta done more cumin there till it's like washed out.
Gotcha.